Tomorrow starts a year, and Mary couldn't wait. We want to say we love you, celebrate our happy birthday.
Kabo.
It's a happy birthday. Sa'yo ang handog nitong puso namin. It's a happy birthday. Sana'y maligaya ikaw. Sa tuwing birthday mo, ikaw ay maligaya. Katulad ngayon, mukha mo'y masaya. Sana'y marami pang birthday ang abutin mo. Happy birthday sa'yo. Come and join the celebration.
Baso.
Happy birthday.